ध्यान करते ही रहना चाहिए। एक एक कर कर अपने सारे पर्दाएं से हम मुक्त हो जाते हैं। पर्दा तो होना ही चाहिए, हम पर्दा लेकर आते हैं, जन्म से ही पर्दे में रहते हैं। हम जानते हैं कि हम पर्दे में जा रहे हैं, फिर भी हम आए हैं। एक एक पर्दा निकालते जाना कि मैं हिंदू हूँ, मैं क्रिश्चियन हूँ, मैं मेल हूँ, मैं फीमेल हूँ, मैं पंडित हूँ, क्षत्रिय हूँ, मैं MBBS डॉक्टर हूँ, मैं तो पैसे वाला हूँ। न जाने कितने पर्दे डालकर हम आते हैं। एक एक करके निकल जाता है जब आप ध्यान में रहते हैं तो। Anybody else? Please, not you. Give the mic. Yes.
Namaste and Pranam. Mugdha from Dombivli, Mumbai. I am his wife.
She is a better lady than you.
After coming in contact with Newton sir, we are following our best possible, and whatever we learn, we are trying to share that. I don't say I am teaching, but sharing. अभी हम वहाँ जो मिले तो मैंने जो कहा बहुत राहत करवाई. There has a reason. We were supposed to meet 3 years back. I had booked for, I don't remember what, it was a retreat for 3 days, quantum physics and all was to be done at that time. But the thing which you mentioned, dharma and karma, काम छोड़ के कुछ नहीं करना है. So that time my father-in-law's 12वीं 13वीं, that all thing was happening. I gave priority to that.
धर्म एंड कर्म, धर्म एंड लर्निंग. फर्स्ट धर्म को निभाना पड़ता है, अपने माता पिता को, अपने घर वालों का, अपने बच्चों का, फैमिली का.
Yes.
धर्म तो निभाना ही पड़ेगा.
Yes.
बाद में ही हम ध्यान में जाएंगे.
Yes.
धर्म छोड़कर ध्यान नहीं. ध्यान छोड़कर धर्म हो सकती है, परंतु धर्म छोड़कर ध्यान कदापि नहीं.
हृदय से तब से ही जुड़ गए थे. आप ही ने मैसेज दिया मैं मिलूंगा, पहले अपना कार्य पूरा करो.
बिल्कुल.
कल से बहुत बेचैनी हो रही थी, लेकिन आज लोकनाथ जी ने जो मेडिटेशन करवाया कोशास को लेके, उसमें जवाब मिला है ऐसे लगता है, लेकिन डिकोड कर नहीं पा रही हूँ. तब से मैं भी कहना है कि नहीं, ये जो आय कह रहे हैं ये कौन है.
क्यों नहीं कहना बाबा, कहने में क्या आपत्ति है.
ओके, व्यवहार
कहने
के
में कोई
लिए
आपत्ति नहीं है.
तो वो मेडिटेशन में वो क्या कह रहे थे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था, एक भी शब्द पल्ले नहीं पड़ रहा था, लेकिन जर्नी चल रही थी. उसका सारांश ऐसे था कि आई कन्वर्टेड, देयर वाज अ ह्यूज बबल, कंप्लीट ट्रांसपेरेंट, एक्सपांडिंग इन ऑल द डायरेक्शंस to the level now it is about to blast. Tab it completely contract to a small peck, and then some tentacles from above come and it lifts that peck. Something happens there which I couldn't realize, and then that peck was dropped down, and when that peck was falling down, the words coming were Alak Niranjan. So I want to know what that's trying to communicate. And after that, I didn't feel like talking with anyone. I wanted to be with that. And still I am with that. And you,
तालियां बजाइए मैम के लिए.
you come back.
I'll tell you another concept now. Okay? बोलिए ई ई ई ई ई. बोलो. और एक बार. अरे बाबा, ये लोग तुरंत ही सीख जाते हैं बाबा, हैं, वेरी फास्ट. मैं ऐसे बोलो वैसे सीख चुके हैं. अच्छा, मैं आपको बताऊंगा कितने ईस हैं. और एक बार बोलो. थोड़ा मजाक भी चाहिए ना, चाहिए ना, नहीं चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, तो फिर और एक बार बोलो. वेरी गुड. फर्स्ट ई फॉर एक्सपेरिमेंट, सेकंड ई फॉर एक्सपीरियंस, थर्ड ई फॉर एनलाइटनमेंट, फोर्थ ई फॉर इवोल्यूशन, फिफ्थ ई फॉर एंजॉयमेंट. You have chosen to come here. It's an experiment by you, isn't it? And these 7 days you have experienced something. You also became enlightened, and some evolutionary uplift also happened. And then your enjoyment is also increased. What is the purpose of life for anybody, human being? This finger. What is this finger? Enjoyment. But this finger depends upon this finger. You have to evolve yourself. If you are in the ABCD level, you must go to EFGH level. If you are in EFGH, you must go to IJKL. Okay? This is evolution. And how will you evolve? With enlightenment. How will you have enlightenment? You must have some experience. How will you have an experience? Experiment. Meditation is an experiment. Isn't it? Coming here in the experiment. Living with so many other masters is experiment. Isn't it? Supposing you had not come here, then would you have got all these things? So you ventured to come here. You don't know what was going to happen. Yes or no? फिर भी देखा जाएगा. हम जाकर तो आएंगे, एक्सपेरिमेंट करेंगे. You know what is a scientist? A scientist always does experiments. He doesn't know what is happening, but he wants to find out. And every experiment gives you some experience, and every experience gives you some enlightenment, and every enlightenment gives you some evolution, and every evolution gives you some more enjoyment. How is this concept coming?
Beautiful, sir. This is an amazing concept. Lot of clarity. Best. This is food for me. And when I met Patri sir, every day we were few bunch of people used to go to him. We used to wait for him, every day. So many concepts. Like they're like our booster dose every day. We need those concepts. Such a clarity. All the spirituality is to give in a just simple concepts. Thank you, sir.
So say everybody, E, 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 E. Any other question? Yes?
Hello, sir. My name is John Raviraj. I am from Bangalore. So we have all been associated with Dr. Newton. For all his courses, we come to him. So for us, he is the enlightened living Buddha. But you met him at a very young age when he first came to you. What was your intuition when you first met him?
You see, बैठिए. I know who I am. Okay. So, because of that, I know whoever who comes to me is what I am. He's just like me. Otherwise, he won't come to me. Birds of the same feather flock together. And nobody can come to me unless he has been a master already in the past lives. And nobody of you can come to him unless you are already a master in your past lives. So, everybody who comes to me searching for me is in the third category. I said A, B, C, D. Third, they know everything, but they don't know that they know. So we know that, I know that Dr. Newton knows everything when he first came to me. But it will take some time, a few days. Until that time I have to give some support to him. Then he will give support to the whole world. Similarly, whoever comes to you, you have to give some support to them. And they will support the whole world. Unless you have been a master in your past lives, you cannot touch Dr. Newton. It is not possible. Do you think it's possible? No. Understand? Gautam Buddha, he knew that, after meditation, he knew that he was already a bodhisattva for many janmas. And before that, he was already an arahant. Arahant is an enlightened master. Bodhisattva is a teacher at home. Buddha is a teacher, roaming teacher. Arahant, please say everybody. Bodhisattva, Buddha. Who is Arihant? Who has killed all the enemies. Ari means enemy. Hant means समाप्त कर दिया. अपने पास 3 शत्रु हैं. एक तो तमोगुण, रजोगुण और सात्विक. सात्विकता भी एक शत्रु है. आप जानते हैं क्या? किसी को भी नहीं मालूम कि ये शत्रु है. तमोगुण, कल करेंगे, परसों करेंगे, ये आपका शत्रु है ही नहीं. रजोगुण, मैं ही सब कुछ जानता हूँ, तू कौन होता है मुझे बोलने वाला, मैं ही आपको बोलूँगा. रजोगुण है. और सात्विक गुण ऐसा होता है, समझो, आपका बेटा है, ओके, वो घर आता है स्कूल से, पापा पापा आई हैव गॉट सम होमवर्क टू डू, व्हाई डोंट यू हेल्प मी। अगर वो पापा उसका होमवर्क करेगा तो ठीक है क्या? अगर करता है तो वो सात्विक गुण दोष है, उसका होमवर्क उसी को करना पड़ा, आप नहीं करना, औरों का होमवर्क आप नहीं करना। ये बच्चा मेरे पास आएगा, इसके पास सर दर्द है, ऐसे हाथ रखूंगा तो सर दर्द निकल जाएगा, पर तो मैं नहीं रखूंगा क्योंकि उसका सर उसी को निकालना है, उसका सर, मेरा सर दर्द नहीं है। अगर मैं मेरे हमदर्दी में हाथ रखता हूँ और मेरे ऊर्जा को प्रसार करता हूँ, उसके सर दर्द निकल जाती है, तो मैं उसको मेरा गुलाम बनाया, उसको इंडिपेंडेंट थोड़ी बनाया मैं। तो इसे कहते हैं नेवर हील अदर्स, इट इज सात्विक गुण दोष। इट टेक्स मेनी लाइफ टाइम्स टू गेट आउट ऑफ तमोगुण, टेक्स मेनी अदर लाइफ टाइम्स टू गेट आउट ऑफ रजोगुण, इट टेक्स मेनी अदर लाइफ टाइम्स टू कम आउट ऑफ सात्विक गुण। यू मस्ट बिकम निर्गुण, अंडरस्टैंड? सो व्हेन यू बिकम निर्गुण यू आर अरिहंत, आपके 3 शत्रुओं को आप मार चुके हैं। फिर क्या होता अगले जन्म में? आप जहाँ भी हैं, जैसे हैं, बैठते हैं, लोग आपके पास आते हैं, उनको सिखाते हैं, आप कहीं और नहीं जाते हैं, अपने घर में बैठते हैं, दैट्स कॉल्ड बोधिसत्व। फिर थोड़े जन्मों के बाद क्या होगा? आप घर घर जाते हैं, सभी को सिखाते हैं, और उनके लिए इंतजार नहीं, आप स्वयं जाएंगे उधर। ही इज द ग्रेट बुद्धा। सो अनलेस यू आर ए बोधिसत्व ऑलरेडी इन योर पास्ट लाइफ्स and Arihant already in your past, you cannot come here. Not possible. I am very happy that you are all here with this great master, great Buddha. For that, you have to thank your own past lives. There is nobody else to thank to. You have to thank your own good karma in all your past lives. It was his good karma that he came to me. It is your good karma that you came to him. Anybody else? Either lady.
Sir, my name is Anjali. I'm from Mumbai. I wanted to ask you how to strengthen the meditation practice. Sometimes when we get engrossed in our daily life, we tend to not practice meditation due to laziness or falling asleep and everything. So how to strengthen meditation practice?
The way to strengthen your meditation is to be with other meditators. You have to seek the company. If you want to play cricket, what will you do? You will join a cricket club. अपने घर में बैठकर क्रिकेट खेलते नहीं क्या? There is a cricket club. So you have to go to become a member of the cricket club. Okay, if you want a hockey player, you must go and join a hockey club. If you want to be a meditator, you have to join this meditators club. You have come here to join a meditators club, where everybody is coming for the same reason. So in such company, your meditation will be strengthened. इसे कहते हैं सज्जन सांगत्य। त्रिजगति सज्जन संगति रेखा भवति भवार्णवतरण्य नौका। 3 लोकों में भी केवल सज्जन संगत से ही हम भव सागर से मुक्त होते हैं। ये आदि शंकराचार्य का स्टेटमेंट है। त्रिजगति सज्जन संगति रेखा भवति भवार्णवतरण्य नौका। तो हाउ टू स्ट्रेंथन योर मेडिटेशन? गो इनटू द क्लब ऑफ मेडिटेटर्स। आप अकेले नहीं स्ट्रेंथन हो सकते हैं, यू हैव टू जॉइन ए संघा। दिस इज अ संघा, इसलिए कहते हैं संघम शरणम गच्छामि। बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि, यू आर सीकिंग एनलाइटनमेंट। धर्मम शरणम गच्छामि, अपने घर का काम कर संभाल रहे आप। संघम शरणम गच्छामि, यू आर सीकिंग ए मेडिटेटर्स क्लब। सभी लोग बोलिए, बुद्धम शरणम गच्छामि,
बुद्धम शरणं,
धर्मम शरणम गच्छामि, संघम शरणम गच्छामि। Sangam is not outside Sangam, this Sangam. Understand? So that's how you strengthen. While you are strengthening your meditators' capacities, you are performing your duties impeccably. समझे? You must perform your duties impeccably. Understand? Only that is going to help this. If you are not performing your day-to-day dharma properly, you are not going to come here. You are only postponing your enlightenment. Buddha means enlightenment. Buddham Sharanam Gacchami. We want enlightenment. Okay. For that you need to read books. You don't have to come here. I have not seen Osho, but I have read all the Osho. I have not seen Patanjali, but I have read all Patanjali. I have not seen Vivekananda, but I have read all. That is my Buddham. I don't have to meet for anybody. Their books are there, so I have to read my books. Then some people like these co-meditators, Sangham, And dharmam, I have to do my duty. I have to be with my family. I have to take care of my family members, yes or no?
Yes.
I can't take sannyas. No way. If you are taking sannyas, you are postponing your enlightenment to the next lifetime. Nobody should take sannyas. Understand? Dharmam sharanam gacchami. You have to do your dharma. Yes.
I want to ask about my daughter-in-law. She's just now pregnant and 3 months. So can you tell me how to give the blessings to the child? She's like perfectly all right now. And I tell her to do meditation. Every day she does meditation and keeps the hand on her stomach. And my son also does that. So you can tell me something more like.
Every pregnant lady is a very, very, very important stage. Okay, because you are inviting a soul, astral worlds. But another thing important is music. Lot of music should be there, instrumental music. जैसा पंडित का रविशंकर जी का या बिस्मिल्लाह खान का. Okay, so you have to give lot of music at home, lot of meditation, and write books to be read, like Bhagavad Gita. Of course, it is right. See, your meditation does not depend upon the posture of the body. Body has got no relevance to the meditation. आप बैठे हैं या सोए हुए हैं उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. समझ में आया? सांसों से मतलब है.
You have to say something to the child like your well-being, disciplined child.
Don't worry about the child. Take care of the mother. Child is a great master. But the mother does not know that she is giving to a great master. You have to train the mother. There is nothing to train the child. You have to train the mother. The mother should be peaceful, happy, meditative, energyful, musicful. And there should be pyramid on her bed. We train the mother, not the baby. Baby is already a perfect master. Don't worry about the baby. Worry about the mother. Take care of the mother.
Yeah, I'm worried because my son was not very good in studies and she was also not very good in studies. She came here at my house and then she did MBA. That time it was somewhere or other she was not ready. Then I said, what are you going to do? You are 23 years old. You don't want to say some people you're down only BCom or something. Then she said, okay, like that. So I'm worried about the studies also. And my son says,
You are very, very stupid lady, first of all. आप कोई अलग व्यक्ति है क्या?
No.
स्पेशल टाइप है क्या आप?
No.
आप सभी के जैसे हैं.
Yes.
Nobody is special here. Everybody is the same. And enlightenment is the same. The way for enlightenment is the same. Whatever is spoken for everybody is the same thing for you. You are not a special person.
Yeah.
Waiting for a special answer. No way. You are an ordinary man. Everybody is an ordinary man. Nobody is special. लोग मेरे पास आके बोलते हैं मेरे लिए खास कुछ बताइए. कुछ भी नहीं आपके लिए. चलो फटो इधर से. यहाँ से दफा हो जाओ. Sorry यार, you are not special.
Yeah. I know, sir.
Huh?
I know.
Next question.
Namaskar to all of you. Namaskar, sir. My name is Sandeep and I am from Delhi. So I have a question. So we all learn that we have a principle called Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, oneness. So I want to know, is there any way so all the spiritual organization and all the political parties can collaborate into one system? Because things are happening, like, that wisdom is all different portions, parts. Same is happening at the governance level. So is there any way so these organizations, spiritual organization and the governance can collaborate into one system?
They are all coming together.
Yes.
Okay. Step by step they can come together. झट मांगनी पटशादी नहीं होगी किसी भी इश्यू में. ठीक है ना? सब हो रहा है बाबा. 20 साल के पहले कुछ ऐसा था क्या? पिरामिड था क्या? ध्यान था क्या? कहीं भी 20 साल के पहले किसी के पास सेलफोन था क्या? अब सेलफोन में पूरा दुनिया चला रहा. अब हर जगह मेडिटेशन है तो कहाँ कितना उद्धार हो गई. तो और आगे वही होगा. Within 10-20 years, the whole world is going to become spiritually one. Matter of under 10-20 years, that's all. We are going to see a heaven on this earth. आप निश्चिंत रहिए आप.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Yes.
स्वामी जी को बहुत चिंता लग गई. उधर. अच्छा ठीक है. उसके पहले से मैं कुछ बात बताना चाहता हूँ. बताऊँ क्या? क्योंकि स्वामी जी ने एक छेड़ी वसुदैव कुटुंबकम, समझे? बोलिए। अच्छा, वसुदेव कौन है? हाँ, कृष्णास? वेरी गुड, यू गिव शेक हैंड टू हर, शी नोस। वसुदेव का पुत्र वासुदेव, समझ में आया? वसुदेव का पुत्र। मैं थोड़ा वसुदेव के बारे में आपको बताना चाहता हूँ। सब लोग वासुदेव के बारे में जानते हैं, कोई भी जानता है कि वसुदेव के बारे में कितना महान है वो? जब तक आप वसुदेव के जैसे नहीं बनेंगे, आप वासुदेव नहीं बन सकते हैं। अंडरस्टैंड? जब तक आप वसुदेव के जैसे नहीं बनेंगे, वासुदेव के जैसे कदापि नहीं बनेंगे आप। वसुदेव क्या होता है? आप तो कहानी जानते हैं, आप तो जानते हैं बाबा वसुदेव का कहानी। यू नो इट यार, ओनली यू डोंट नो दैट यू नो। बट आई विल टेल you about Vasudev. Okay, nowadays I am telling everybody about Vasudev. That is my latest concept. ठीक है ना? लेटेस्ट लफड़ा। वसुदेव और उसका पत्नी का नाम क्या है? देवकी देवी। देवकी नहीं, देवकी देवी, समझ में? पति का नाम क्या है? वसुदेव, ठीक है ना? अब इनका कहानी सुनेंगे हम। वो कंस था उधर राजा, उसको कोई ने बोला ये वसुदेव का बेटा उसको मारेगा। तो उन्होंने क्या किया, जितने लोग इनके बच्चे होते हैं सबको मैं बचपन में ही उनको मार डालूंगा ताकि मेरा शत्रु कोई भी ना हो। तो एक के बाद एक उसके बच्चे हो रहे थे, खत्म कर देता है। बच्चे जैसे ही माँ की गर्भ से बाहर आता है उसको ऐसा पकड़ता है, कट। अब वो माँ की हाल क्या होगा और पिता का क्या हाल क्या होगा, आप ही बताइए। कैन एनीबॉडी डिस्क्राइब दैट पेन? ओके। और वो पेन के बावजूद, पहला बेबी के बावजूद उसको काटते हुए देखते हुए फिर भी और एक को जन्म देना, फिर भी सेक्स करना, कोई मामूली बात है क्या? फिर भी संसार को निभाना, अपने धर्म को निभाना कोई मामूली बात है? फिर भी वो भी बच्ची आती है, बेटा आता है, उसको भी कट। 6-7 लोग कट। क्या आप वैसा आप घर में रह सकते हैं? हाउ ग्रेट एनलाइटेंड पीपल आर देयर। In spite of knowing that their children are going to be murdered, they are giving to one more birth, staying in the jail, और कोई महल में नहीं है, फिर भी they did beautiful sex. They were not guilty, but they were guilty. Why are you guilty always? Why can't you take suffering like that? Nobody takes suffering like that. बस रोते रहते, मेरा बच्चा मर गया, मेरा बच्चा मर गया, मेरा बच्चा मर गया। अपने आंखों के सामने उसका गला कट दिया, फिर भी और एक बच्चा को जन्म देना, फिर गर्भ 9 महीने, फिर बच्चा बाहर है, फिर उसको भी कट, फिर 9 महीने। कैसे माँ है देखो। 7th चाइल्ड उसको बचा दिया, वो आके इसको मारा। 7th चाइल्ड। अपने घर में आप भी ऐसे ही संसारी बन सकते हैं क्या? आपके पास उतना शक्ति है क्या, क्षमता है क्या? मुझे बताइए। आप अपने घर में आप संसारी बनिए, वसुदेव के जैसे, देवकी देवी के जैसे, फिर आप वासुदेव बनेंगे। क्यों नहीं बनेंगे? वासुदेव कुटुंबकम नहीं, वसुदेव कुटुंबकम, वसुदेव के जैसे होना बाबा। यानी जो कुछ भी आपके घर में होता है उसको झेलना चाहिए आपको संतोष से। आप जानते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा मरने वाला है, फिर भी और एक बच्चा को जन्म देना आपसे होता है क्या? इतने जितने सारे माएँ इधर हैं, आपसे होता है क्या? मुझे बताइए। You must be like them. You must be like a Vasudeva. You must be like a Devaki Devi. Then only your children will become Vasudeva. Not otherwise. आप वासुदेव से क्या सीखेंगे जब वासुदेव से नहीं सीखेंगे? आप देवकी देवी से नहीं सीखेंगे तो वासुदेव से क्या सीखेंगे बाबा? आप learn to go through your suffering happily. Knowing that all your children are dead, give one more child. They are murdered in front of your eyes. Small babies. और बोलते मेरा 20 साल का बच्चा मर गया 20 साल का बच्चा मर गया तो रो रही है स्टूपिड लेडी. The whole world is stupid. सभी लोग जानते हैं ये कहानी. कौन नहीं जानता है कहानी? पर किसके पास एनलाइटमेंट आई है? कोई सीखा ही क्या? मेरा बच्चा कैंसर से मर गया. बच्चा, अरे वाह उस्ताद, अपने आप के लिए रोते हैं, औरों के लिए नहीं रोते हैं. और देव के लिए नहीं रोते हैं आप. वसुदेव के जैसे नहीं बनते आप. कब बनेंगे? अगले जन्म में बनेंगे. किस जन्म में बनेंगे आप उनके जैसे? वसुदेव के जैसे बनिए, देव के जैसे बनिए बाबा. बाद में वासुदेव का भगवत गीता को हम समझेंगे. योर सफरिंग हैज बिकम टू यू बिकॉज ऑफ यू. वो बोल रहे मेरा बच्चा पढ़ता नहीं. ओ लेडी, माय गुडनेस, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ए मॉम यू आर? वेयर आर यू एंड वेयर इज देवकी देवी? व्हाई सो मच डिफरेंस बिटवीन यू एंड दैट देवकी देवी? मैम, आपको सुनते ही मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ गया. कैसे लोग हैं बाबा धरती में? आई एक्सपेक्ट एवरी लेडी टू बी लाइक देवकी देवी एंड एवरी जेंट टू बी लाइक वसुदेवा. दिस इज मिनिमम स्टैंडर्ड.
Again, another beautiful food, sir. Food for us. It's beautiful, sir. Vasudeva and Vasudeva. First Vasudeva, go to the next level. And I could relate with this. Unless I could go through all my pain, all whatever situations in life with such a joy, sir, happiness. With no complaints. With no complaints. From childhood. Initially I was complaining, but later I learned not to complain. But with happiness went through. And Vasudeva said, really, I like this concept, sir. Thank you.
जोर से बोलिए, नो कंप्लेंट्स, no judgment, no crying, always giving birth to one more baby. Anyhow, how is this concept of Vasudeva? कैसा है? Anybody else?
I'm Sharmila. My journey with Dr. Newton goes back 12 years back, and I'm meeting you after 6 years. So I just wanted to say that I don't know whether I will know everything. My quest continues. So I just wanted to share this with you.
You can't know everything in one lifetime. We all are capable of learning everything in eternity. In the course of many lifetimes. Not एक जन्म को कुछ भी नहीं होता है. So don't expect to learn everything in one lifetime. If you are having such expectation, you are stupid. We got many lifetimes. We got eternity. कोई जल्दबाजी नहीं है. 3 things are important. Everybody say, no worry, no hurry, no wastage of time. In your hurry, in your worry, you waste your time. Never hurry because you got many lifetimes. No worry because you are an infinite God. But you must not waste your time. Ensure that. Forget about worry and hurry. You don't have to learn everything in one lifetime. Nobody does that. Nobody does that. But we learn everything in eternity. We have got eternity on our hands. But to learn everything, you must not waste your time. समझे? Utilize your time properly. In meditation, in reading books and learning from others. ध्यान, स्वाध्याय एवं सज्जन सांगत्य. इन तीनों के द्वारा आप अपने समय को यूज करते हैं, नहीं तो बर्बाद करते हैं. जिसके पास ध्यान नहीं है, जिसके पास स्वाध्याय नहीं है, जिसके पास सज्जन संगत नहीं है, वो हमेशा बर्बादी करते रहता है अपने समय को. Okay? Don't have to worry that I don't know everything, I can't learn everything. You will learn everything during eternity. We are eternal beings. ठीक है ना? Never worry, never hurry, but never waste your time. Right? These are the three guidelines. If you are worrying for any reason, you are stupid. If you are hurrying for any reason, you are again stupid. If you are not utilizing your time properly, every given moment, you are again stupid. Save yourself from your own stupidity. Understand? We should be constantly aware of our stupidity. And we should check ourselves. That, okay, I am not stupid now. I am utilizing my this time now. I am not in a worry, I am not in a hurry. I am a God. So how can I be worried? And you are a God. How can a God be in worry? No way. But you will learn everything in due course, in eternity, in many lifetimes. संगम होगा 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 नहीं होगा क्या? ये वैजयंती माला के डायलॉग है, किस मूवी में है? संगम होगा या नहीं होगा? संगम होगा होगा होगा। मैडम जी, होगा होगा होगा। Whether you are sure or not, you will come back again. Everybody has to come back again. Everybody has to come back again, either to learn or to teach. Any other question? Yes.
I'm just full of tears meeting you. I don't know actually. So hence you would be maybe seeing more tears from me, though you just instructed no crying.
Crying in happiness is allowed.
My journey in spirituality is very new. It's around 3 years back. I have met Dr. Newton and Dr. Lakshmi is last year. I would say my husband is the instrument towards guiding me towards this path.
But normally husbands are stupid.
No, he is not. He had attended Dr. Newton's PLR, and after coming back from there, he was after me that you need to find purpose of your life. I'm sure that is what is where you need to be. And at that particular point of time, I was like, my purpose of life is my family and your dream. I mean, I couldn't see beyond his dream anything. I mean, I was content. I was always contented with whatever God has given me around.
Wait. You know what Zoroaster said? Zoroaster. You know who he is? Not Greek. Zoroastrian philosophy. Zoroastrian religion. You know what Zoroaster said? Always be contented with what you have, but never with what you are. Always be content with what you have, material things. But what you are, never be contented. If you are content with what you are, you will never progress. You will never come to meditation. You will never see Dr. Newton at all if you are contented with what you are. This is one of the greatest statements, isn't it?
Yes.
I would like you to please repeat after me. Always be contented with what you have, but never with what you are.
Thank you, sir. So, in that journey, I attended Family Constellation was the first, and then soon followed with PLR. And my quest for my life purpose started from there. And lately, I guess, few months back, There is something relating to organizational team building related is what I got little exposed to through spirituality, using spirituality. And at this point, I think that is my purpose. And I feel, my gut feels, yes, that is where I will go through, and that's why I'm here, because it called me in PLR Soul Coach program when it was announced. It completely called me. I didn't know what I have to expect out of it, but and
When you know
universe sent
something,
me here.
when you know something in advance, it is called a venture. When you don't know what is in the future for you, it is called adventure. Understand? First time you are building a building, it is adventure for you. Second building you are building is a venture. Understand?
However, my quest or my little concern is my husband also has had a dream of helping the world with some idea he has, but the path is not opening up. I mean, though
How does he want to help?
I don't know how I want to contribute and help. That's where I want to, okay, how does he want to help, you're asking? He basically in the path of resource management, so he has some ideas wherein he feels that it can be done on a very large global basis with no, I mean, it's with organizations.
Let him do it.
involved.
Why is he not doing it?
There's no, the openings don't come,
The
everything
opening
is
comes only with meditation.
blocks are
With
there.
more and more meditation, only opening comes. Without meditation, no opening ever comes to anybody. Everybody has to do meditation. You give this message to your husband.
I will do that, sir.
Okay? You have to sit with closed eyes. 24 hours a day. Then everything will open here. You will know what to do, what not to do.
I'll do that, sir. So
Everybody is confused what to do, what not to do. To do or not to do is $1 million question for everybody. But the answer is 24 hours of meditation. Close your eyes for 24 hours. You will get all the answers for your questions. You will know what to do, what not to do. Whether to stay with the husband or leave the husband.
no, not at all. I'm lucky to have him. So definitely no question of leaving him.
Okay, Baba, thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
That lady there.
Hello. Thank you for coming here. We're so lucky. I have never felt like this before, and thank you, Dr. Newton, for organizing this. Personally, I experience highs and lows, and I know, and in the last 5 days, we've learned about duality versus neutrality. So I know that balance is very important. But somehow, if I don't know, so there's a struggle saying that if we achieve balance, then how do we, like, I feel I've never lived life without these emotions. So can you help me or guide me? And you will probably say meditate, but but I also feel that
आप मेरे मुंह के ऊपर ताला मत लगाइए आप. First of all, remember one point. Emotions are not at all bad. They are very, very good. Nobody understands this point. Emotions are the stuff of the soul. Atoms and molecules are the stuff of the body. Thoughts are the stuff of the mind. And emotions are the stuff of the soul. Every soul, if you are a soul, you will have emotional highs and emotional lows. Only through those emotional highs and emotional lows will you progress further. So never complain against your own emotional lows. We progress only through our emotional highs and emotional lows. Emotions are the very stuff of the soul. Thoughts are the stuff of the mind. Atoms and molecules are the stuff of the body. And emotions are the stuff of the soul. So thank your emotions. We don't thank at all, that's the problem with us. We don't thank anything. Always complaining. You must be always thankful to everything that you have. All the emotions. Without those lows in emotions, you would have never come to this meditation session at all. Because of those emotional loss, we have come here. Thank all your emotional loss. Understand?
So what about duality and balance?
Duality and balance. It comes by slowly. जट मांगनी पट शादी नहीं होगी. मैं बार बार यही कहूँगा. लोग समझते हैं मांगनी होगी तो शादी होना, शादी होने से बच्चे हो जाना, टक बच्चे होते हैं वो बड़े हो जाना. अभी जन्म दिया, अभी भागना, वो पीटी उषा बननी, वो छोटी बच्ची है वो पीटी उषा बननी, भागना चाहिए. कोई बात है क्या? You have to go through the process, every step. Tell me one thing. 3 days old baby is there and 30 years old woman is there. Who is the greatest between these two? Greater. Both are equally great, yaar. Just because she's the 30 years, she doesn't become greater than the 3-day-old baby. Every stage of your life, you are great. And every stage of your life is important for your growth. Never undermine yourself or any stage, emotional high or emotional low. Never undermine, never feel guilty. Every guilt is a fresh blunder. Remember this point. Everybody repeat, every guilt is a fresh blunder. Because of your guilt, you are committing a big blunder. You might have committed some mistakes. So what? I daily commit mistakes. So what? I don't care. I am never guilty. I am always happy.
I don't feel like stopping this conversation.
What did she say?
I don't feel like stopping this conversation.
Continue. Who is stopping you?
It's like I've found my father. Thank you.
Continue. No, thank you. Continue.
And you have beautiful eyes.
नेक्स्ट पर्सन. फिलहाल कैसा लग रहा सेशन आपको? तालियां बजाइए ना. कैसा है सेशन? अच्छा है. अच्छा है.
पत्री जी, मेरा नाम साक्षी है, मैं दिल्ली से आई हूँ. सवाल नहीं है कोई, बस कुछ है जो व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ.
सवाल नहीं तो कुछ तो भी बाकी है.
आपने एडवेंचर के बारे में बताया. मेरा पहला आपके साथ मीटिंग भी एक एडवेंचर ही था. पहली बार पिरामिड वैली में मैं आई थी, चित्रा मैडम की बुक्स पढ़ती थी आर्ट मेडिटेशन के बारे में. आपके बारे में जाना, उनकी किताबों के थ्रू, डॉक्टर न्यूटन के बारे में जाना. I don't know why I'm shivering. And it was an intense experience. मैं नहीं समझ पाई थी. मैंने तब आपसे यही बोला, मैं सब कहते हैं पत्री जी से मिलने के लिए बहुत वेट करना पड़ता है. मैं पहली बार आई, मिल गई. और आपने तब कहा था आप आए, आपका जिंदगी का मिशन पूरा. मैं कितनी बार पुणे गया, मैं ओशो से नहीं मिल पाया. और मैं यहाँ पहली बार डॉक्टर न्यूटन की वर्कशॉप में आई. आज तक कोई वर्कशॉप नहीं अटेंड किया. इनकी वर्कशॉप के बारे में जानना मेरे लिए कुछ मिरेकल ही था. सोचा नहीं था, बस कुछ था शायद जो यहाँ पहुंच गई. यहाँ आई तो लगा जो जान रही हूँ, जो सीख रही हूँ, क्लास में पढ़ रही हूँ, अंदर से मालूम था, लेकिन शायद बाहर ढूंढ रही थी, उसको खोज रही थी. आपसे जब पहली बार मिल रही थी बहुत सवाल थे, कुछ खोज रही थी, क्या खोज रही थी मालूम नहीं. दूसरी बार मिली हूँ, दूसरा एडवेंचर न्यूटन सर के पास यहाँ के आना, और अब कोई सवाल नहीं है.
मैं बच गया बाबा.
अपने आप सब सवाल खत्म हो गए.
मुझे बहुत खुश हो गया. बस
एक खुशी है जो बस मन है कि अब बांटूं. और शेयर करूं जो भी सीखा है, जिसका कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि जो अंदर चल रहा था वो गलत नहीं था, सही था। और खास तौर से छोटे बच्चों के साथ, बिकॉज एज ए मम व्हाट आई हैव रियलाइज्ड दे आर मोस्ट वल्नरेबल। ये एजुकेशन उनको कहीं नहीं मिल रही मेडिटेशन के बारे में। मतलब मेडिटेशन नहीं, क्या बोलूं मैं उसे, जिंदगी जीना, हंसना खेलना किताबों के बीच में दब रहे हैं। तो ये तरीका जीने का, ये नॉलेज, ये खुशी बच्चों में बांटूं और सब में बांटूं, बस। थैंक यू।
గురుగారు పత్రిజీ గారికి నా పాదాభి వందనాలు. న్యూటన్ సార్కి కూడా నా పాదాభి వందనాలు. ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్గా ఐ కేమ్ హియర్ అండ్ ఐ అబ్జర్వ్ ద రియల్ లవ్ ఆఫ్ మిస్టర్ న్యూటన్ సార్. He has released pains of some of my friends. I was very happy for that. My question is actually, people and the earth is suffering from karma. And when does it clear? And these all people and karma, it will be done. Karma chakram will be completed when they will be coming out.
I am sitting now in this chair. When can I come out of this chair?
When you wake up.
प्रॉब्लम खराब हो गया क्या? कुर्सी मुझे पकड़ कर बैठी है क्या वो? आपकी कर्मा आपको पकड़ कर नहीं बैठी बाबा. Any moment you want, just get out of the karma. Understand that you are a God, then there is no karma. If you think you are a human being, there is karma.
Yes, sir.
Understand that you are God. That's all. Over.
When the people will understand.
कर्मा के साथ
sir.
बैठूं.
And one more thing, sir, Nirguna.
You are
said
not a human being bound in karma. You are a God. For God there is no karma. You are thinking that you are a human being. You are bound by your own karma. But change your thinking.
No, sir, I am not saying that I have karma. I am speaking about the people.
Whatever you speak for yourself, the same answer is for others. Karma is not binding you. You are catching karma.
Right.
Nothing binds you. Nothing binds you.
And sir, one more you were saying about Nirguna. I was about to ask Newton sir when he was teaching Ramayana, but I didn't get any. Sir was busy. Nirguna. Can I
Oh, you are
have an
always busy.
example, sir? Can I have any example, sir, for that Nirguna?
He is the example of Nirguna.
Situation, sir. Any situation?
Huh?
Any situation?
In every situation, you must be able to laugh like Dr. Newton. Then you are in Nirguna. I'll give you one example.
Thank you, sir.
You need some example, I'll give you some example. You know what happened? I'll give you two examples from Muhammad's life. The great Muhammad. वो मक्का में जा रहा था, आप बैठिए आप. मक्का में जा रहा था एक रोड के ऊपर. तो एक लेडी क्या करती थी, ऊपर से अपना पूरा कचरा रहता ना, घर का कचरा, जैसे ही मोहम्मद साहब को देखती है ऊपर से उसके ऊपर डालती. बिकॉज ही वॉज अगेंस्ट आइडल वर्शिप. सो ऑल द मक्का दे वर हैविंग मिलियंस ऑफ आइडल्स. सो एवरीबडी वॉज अगेंस्ट मोहम्मद. सो शी नो यूज्ड टू डू, वो अपने घर की कचरा रहता ना, ट्रैश, वो जैसे आता है उसके ऊपर डालता था. और ये ऊपर से कैसे मुस्कुराता था. एक दिन क्या हुआ, ऊपर से कुछ भी नहीं आया. तो इन्होंने पूछा, ओ मैडम कैसी है, इज शी ओके, इज शी ओके. देन ही केम टू, शी इज नॉट ओके. शी वेंट अप एंड शी सर शी वाज हैविंग फीवर. देन शी सेड, नहीं मामा सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. हाँ, दैट इज निर्गुणा. कैन यू बी लाइक दैट? वन मोर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ मोहम्मद. ही वॉज फाइटिंग, ही वॉज हैविंग लॉट ऑफ वॉर्स. तो दोनों का लड़ाई हो रहा था और उसका दूसरा का क्या किया, अपने मोहम्मद से उसने उसका तलवार नीचे गिर गया. वो अपना तलवार उसके गर्दन के ऊपर रखा. कहाँ है तेरा अल्लाह? अब तो मैं आपको मारने वाला हूँ. तू अल्लाह अल्लाह बोलते, कहाँ है तेरा अल्लाह? आपका रक्षा करेगा क्या? नो, ही वॉज फॉलिंग डाउन मोहम्मद, एंड दैट अदर फेलो वॉज पुटिंग द स्वॉर्ड ऑन हिज gardan and say, where is your Allah? And Muhammad was seeing into the eyes, my Allah is there. He saw those light in the eyes. His hands started shivering. The talwar fell down from his hands. So Muhammad took the talwar and put on his garden and said, "You don't have Allah. I have Allah. So nobody can save you. See how Allah saved me. From today onwards, believe in Allah. Go," he said. Can you be like that, Mr. Nirgun? He wants examples of Nirgun. You must be like Muhammad. Can you be like him? That's the point. Oh, emotional lady. Anybody else? Yes.
Good evening, Patriji. My name is Ekta, and so whenever I'm close to any energy centers, I start to shake or vibrate. I start to shake or vibrate. I had recently gone to Shirdi, and there as well, my neck started to move, and my hand was also vibrating. Even now, there is a little vibration. So when I meditate, also I have these vibrations. I was wondering if it is okay to have vibrations, because
You tell me, is it okay or not okay?
I think it is okay.
And then where is the question?
But
Go along with your feelings.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
Your feelings show the right things to you. Always trust your feelings. Don't doubt your feelings.
Okay.
Your feelings are your master, showing the way to your future. Always trust your feelings.
ठीक है.
This point is very important. Always trust your feelings. ये आदमी अच्छा लगता है तो उसके पास जाइए, अच्छा नहीं लगता तो दूर हो जाइए. You get a feeling, gut feeling. इसके पास नहीं जाना चाहिए, मत जाइए. कौन जाने के लिए कहा आपको? और इसके पास जाने का है तो जाइए ना. कौन रोका आपको?
क्योंकि quite a few people say that these are blocks and they need to be cleared, and that is why you vibrate.
That's all wrong. They're all stupid people. You are going to lot of stupid people. You should have come to me.
Okay, point taken. Thank you.
Yes.
I have no question, but I have to share something you said, Nirguna. I just experienced today. Actually, today I was talking to Mala ma'am. Yeah, I said her that yesterday I underwent some healing. Like I was carrying from many years. I went to her and I was seeing her, Newton sir was like he has some unconditional love, that compassionate, that he just healed me like anything in few minutes. How is that possible? How can he be like that? She said that he didn't heal you. He just gave the trust to you that you can heal yourself. So now I can relate when you said that Satvika Guna. Like they don't do that. They just give some initiation. I can say he's the best example for Nirgun. I experienced it today.
There is no initiation, ma'am.
Okay.
The word initiation doesn't exist. Sharing information exists. There is no initiation. People in spirituality, they want initiation. Nobody is going to initiate you. They can share their information with you. Newton is not initiating you.
Okay.
Newton is sharing his information with you. You are ready to listen to him, so he spoke. And you cannot initiate others. I cannot initiate anybody. I shared my information with Newton, then he initiated himself. He is sharing information with you and you are initiating yourself. Nobody is going to initiate you. Don't wait for anybody to initiate you. Other people can give you information. Seek information. When you read Bhagavad Gita, you are informed of whatever the teachings of Krishna. You get informed. Read the books and get informed. And your information, whatever you are absorbing, that absorption of that information initiates you. Right?
Thank you.
नमस्कार पात्रे जी, मेरा नाम किशन है, मैं दिल्ली से हूँ। मुझे मेरा सोल पर्पस पता लग गया, उसी पर्पस को पूरा करने के लिए ये वर्कशॉप ज्वाइन करने आया हुआ हूँ। और मुझे यहाँ लाने का श्रेय डॉक्टर सौरभ को जाता है, उन्होंने मुझे इसके बारे में बताया था। अब यहाँ से जाने के बाद मैं एक छोटी सी शुरुआत करूँगा, अपने घर में ही अब ग्रुप मेडिटेशन का शुरू करने जा रहा हूँ।
बिल्कुल।
तो इसके लिए मुझे थोड़ा आपसे मार्गदर्शन मिल जाता कि कैसे क्या करें कि अधिक से अधिक लोगों को जोड़
सामने एक बोर्ड रखिए
जी,
यहाँ ध्यान सिखाया जाएगा।
जी
हाँ,
यहाँ ज्ञान
निःशुल्क निःशुल्क।
हाँ, नहीं पैसे ग्रुप मेडिटेशन मतलब जो हमारे सोसाइटी के लोग हैं या जो आसपास के लोग हैं उनके लिए।
बोर्ड रखिए।
हाँ, शुल्क नहीं
अगर
लेना है।
मुझे इडली बेचने का है, मेरे घर में इडली है, तो कोई भी जानता नहीं कि इसके पास इडली है, तो वो कैसे आएगा मेरे पास? एक बोर्ड रखो, मेरे पास इडली है।
नहीं, उसके लिए तो व्हाट्सएप मैसेज पे तो वो डालूंगा,
वो भी डालना चाहिए।
लेकिन मेरा जो आपसे प्रश्न है कि जो लोग, बहुत बार देखा गया है कि कोई लोग एक बार आते हैं फिर वो हमेशा नहीं आते हैं, तो उनको किस तरह?
अरे बाहर में जावे, आपको क्या करने का है?
तो और दूसरा आपसे एक और रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगली बार जब भी आप दिल्ली आए तो हमारे घर पर भी आमंत्रित हैं, जिससे कि हमारा जो
ये तो ठीक है, आमंत्रित तो मैं हूँ, परंतु मेरे पास उतना वक्त नहीं है।
नहीं, मैं जानता हूँ, लेकिन उससे होगा कि हम लोग का
अपने घर जाने के लिए मेरे पास वक्त नहीं है। कभी कभी जाता हूँ मेरे घर।
अच्छा अच्छा,
साल में एक बार दो बार, ठीक है ना?
ठीक है,
आप उसका उम्मीद मत रखिए, अगर हो गया तो हो गया, अलग बात है।
जरूर सर, धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। यस सर, देयर।
नमस्कार, मैं आपको सवाल तो करना नहीं चाहता था। अगर सवाल किया कि मेरे को आप मेरा औकात बताएंगे, फिर बाद में मुझे ख्याल में आया गुरु अपना औकात नहीं बताएंगे, अपने का अपमान कर रहा, अपमान नहीं करता, अपने को ज्ञान देता है। तो मुझे एक सवाल करना, आप इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट लिए हैं, पिरामिड जगत, ध्यान जगत और
शाकाहार जगत,
शाकाहार जगत,
अहिंसा जगत,
अहिंसा जगत, ये इतने बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट के पीछे इंस्पिरेशन क्या है आपको? हु इज योर इंस्पायरर? और एक सवाल
स्वामी जी, पर
अगर
एक तो होने देना।
ठीक है।
सी, एक दिन में एक इंस्पिरेशन नहीं मिला मुझे, ये जिंदगी भर की कहानी है। धीरे धीरे हम आगे बढ़ते हैं, एक कदम फिर एक कदम, एक कदम। पहला तो सच्चाई को जानने का खोज, फिर सच्चाई जान चुके हैं तो बाजू वाले को बताने का इंस्पिरेशन, बाजू वाले से उसको, उससे बाजू वाले को, धीरे धीरे पूरा जगत का हो गया। धीरे धीरे हम आगे बढ़ते हैं इंस्पिरेशन लेने में। एक ही बात से, एक ही इंसिडेंट से नहीं होता इंस्पिरेशन, ये जिंदगी भर की कहानी है। हर महात्मा से हमें इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है। महात्मा गांधी का सुनते हैं तो इसमें तो हम भी क्यों नहीं बन सकते? पतंजलि से इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है तो हम भी क्यों नहीं बन सकते? एवरेस्ट के ऊपर जो चढ़ते हैं हमें, तो हम भी क्यों नहीं चढ़ सकते? बिस्मिल्लाह खान से हमेशा हम भी शाने क्यों नहीं बजाएंगे बाबा? कबीर जी से पढ़ेंगे तो हमें भी इंस्पिरेशन मिलता है, हम भी क्यों नहीं बनेंगे? हर आदमी से हमें इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है, हर बंदे से। और नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
और आपका इतना बड़ा जो मूवमेंट हर जगह चल रहा है, तो इससे मेरे को पक्का उम्मीद है ये शाकाहार जगत तो बनेंगे। पर शाकाहार जगत एक बार बन गया तो आपका कोई योजना है क्या? इतने लोगों को ये शाकाहार चीज़ें जो वेजिटेबल्स परोठा कर सकेंगे क्या? सॉरी,
अगर आप सॉरी है तो मैं भी सॉरी हूँ। चलो, एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? यस, हियर। क्या ये सिलसिला समाप्त नहीं होगी?
Good evening, Patriji, Dr. Newton. I had a question about manifestation, and when you put forward an intention in a trance state, and then is it okay to just let it go once you put the intention out there, or should you also take action? Because we had a lot of discussion about this today, and I think it would give me some clarity.
Intention is important, all important. Action need not be physical. Actions are always astral. मैं जो जहाँ सोच रहा हूँ उनके तरंगे ना सबके पास जाते हैं. I don't have to open my mouth also. But since you have a mouth, it is better to open your mouth also. Why are you not opening your mouth? Opening your mouth is a great action. You have to open your mouth. Opening your mouth is your action. Intention here, action here. Action is not here, intention is not here. Intention here and action here. Open your mouth. Ask and it shall be opened. Knock and it shall be opened. Jesus said, ask. Why are you shy of asking? Why are you shy of opening your mouth? Opening your mouth is your action.
But meditation or consciousness should precede any action.
Intention should precede action.
Okay.
इंटेंशन हियर, मैं सबको ध्यानी बनाना चाहता हूँ, सब लोग ध्यान करेंगे, मेरी बात सुनेंगे, इंटेंशन रखो, फिर मुंह खोलिए, क्यों नहीं सुनेगा वो? 10 आदमी में से एक तो भी सुनेगा? नहीं सुनेगा।
सुनेंगे।
फिर इंटेंशन भी नहीं रखेंगे, मुंह भी नहीं खोलेंगे तो क्या होगा? कुछ भी नहीं होगा। यहाँ तो इंटेंशन होनी चाहिए, यहाँ तो मुंह खोलनी चाहिए। यू हैव टू ओपन योर माउथ।
Okay.
Opening your mouth is great action. You have to open your mouth.
Thank you, sir.
Intention is most important. That precedes action. But action should follow the intention. You must open your mouth. मुझे book चाहिए. When I was coming from there, Dr. Lakshmi asked me, what do you want to have? I said, I will have either idli or upma. Then there was idli and upma. Had I not opened my mouth, कुछ भी नहीं रहता था मेरे लिए। जो औरों के लिए बनाया था वो खाना था, परंतु मैं मेरा चाहता हूँ ना, आई वांट उपमा, बट दिस फेलो ग्रैब्ड माय उपमा आल्सो, एंड उपमा वाज टू गुड।
But sir, sometimes suppose you put in the intention and you do the action and it doesn't work out. Does that mean it's not destined to happen? Or is there some...
My dear,
Yeah.
Krishna went to Kauravas. He said, give us 5 villages. Did they give? Does that mean that Krishna was a failure? No, he acted. He opened his mouth, said, give us 5 villages, not half kingdom. 5 villages are enough for 5 brothers. It is up to them to hear or not. It is not your cup of choice. Do you think Krishna was a failure?
No.
He would have been a failure had he not gone for as an ambassador. He did go as an ambassador. And he did open his mouth in front of everybody. You also do like that. कर्मण्यवादी करस्ते माँ परेशु कदाचन, माँ कर्म फल हेतुर्भूर्माते संकोच कर्म। कर्म करिए, कर्म का फल मत मांगिए आप। कर्म को करिए आप, कर्म का फल कदापि न पूछिए आप, मांगे। क्या सीखते हैं आप भगवद गीता से?
अभी तक काफी सीखना है सर।
हाँ, सीखना है, ठीक है। Yes, please. I don't like the word love. I don't know why, but I don't like the word love at all. I hate the word love. Instead of self-love, delete the word love. Use self-appreciation. Appreciate yourself. आप दर्पण के सामने बैठिए, मैं कितना सुंदर हूँ, करिए ऐसा, appreciate yourself. Okay. I am against the word love. वो हमारी जाति दुश्मन है वो love. I don't know, the genes are like that. मैं नहीं, सबको appreciate करता हूँ मैं, बस उतने। I am not loving anybody. I know how to appreciate everybody. ये आपकी गलती है। गलती आपकी और मुझे दोषी बनाते हैं आप। Appreciate yourself and appreciate others. This appreciation is a much better word than love. It's a more technical word. Love is general word. Nobody knows what is love. And they keep on using the word love. Love everybody. I don't love anybody. If he is eating meat, I don't love him at all. How can I love him, that fellow who is killing animals, birds and fish? How can I love that fellow? Tell me. No way. And even if he is a vegetarian, I don't love him, I appreciate him, that's all. Sorry, yeah. I don't love you. Sorry, yeah. I cannot love you. Beyond my capacity. He loves everybody. ये बहुत साधु संत है, मैं तो बहुत बदमाश संत हूँ. Anything else? Yes.
Namaste. In one of your talks or somewhere, I heard you have said that you should always carry a Bhagavad Gita in your hand. So, what is the reason behind that? Why carry it everywhere?
Why not? Why not, Baba? You tell me why not.
Yes.
Then I will tell you why.
Okay, if we carry, so for what purpose?
If you are waiting in an airport, the flight is not coming, you can read the Bhagavad Gita. वो फ्लाइट हमेशा लेट ही होती है, आप हमेशा भगवद गीता पढ़ सकते हैं.
But none of the Bhagavad Gita is very easy to read or understand.
Bhagavad Gita is the easiest book to read.
Which
And you have the stupidest copy, that's why you are not able to do it. You have to rectify yourself.
No, which
Bhagavad Gita is easy, there is no difficulty there. There is no difficulty in Bhagavad Gita.
So which edition?
Which?
Which book of Bhagavad Gita?
Any book on Bhagavad Gita by any master.
Okay.
Nobody changes the slokas or stanzas. Nobody does that. I have read more than 200 Bhagavad Gita by 200 masters. And I keep on reading another master, another master, another master. When Bal Gangadhar went to Andaman 5 years, he wrote commentary on Bhagavad Gita. And you don't want to read that book? Which he written for 5 years, being in Andaman, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. You don't want to read that book? Why are you not reading? अरे उसको मारो यार, सब मिलकर मारो इसको. Always carry a Bhagavad Gita with you. Whenever you are emotional loss, lady, read Bhagavad Gita.
Thank you, sir.
And get by heart all those slokas. You know, in the year 1983, you know what I did? I took Bhagavad Gita. For 6 months, I read only Bhagavad Gita. And I got by heart all the slokas. For 6 months, I will read only Bhagavad Gita. I will master that book. In the year 1983. Why are you not mastering that book?
I will, sir.
उसको मारो.
Thank you, sir.
Right. In the TV, Dr. Newton explaining Bhagavad Gita. Yes or no? I've been seeing it. Thank you for that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for that. Yes.
My name is Vishwanath. I'm from Bangalore. So I've been practicing meditation from 2012. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank you. Because of you, I got to know about Newton, sir.
If you are not going to thank me, I am going to hang you.
So I'm really thankful to you, sir. It's been a great transformational session, and I'm enjoying the time here. So thank you so much for introducing so many masters. Through you, we are learning so much. Thank you so much, sir.
Welcome. I think it's enough. अभी मिलेगा बाबा. चलिए हम सब ध्यान में बैठेंगे. आपके चश्मे निकाल लीजिए, आंखें बंद कर दीजिए. Fingers into fingers, not like that, madam, like this. Fingers into fingers. Close your eyes and cross your feet when you are sitting in a chair. Everything has got science and reason behind it. Cross your feet, close your eyes, sit happily, comfortably, all fingers into all fingers, and be with your normal, natural breath. मैं आपके लिए कुछ बांसुरी बजाऊंगा. बार बार ध्यान करें, 1000 बार ध्यान करें बाबा. Remove all other persons from your mind. No human being should be there in your mind. Only you and your breath. Anyatha sharanam nasti. Shwasam eva sharanam vayam. Be with your breath. That is the prescription for all people, all the time. Be with your normal, natural, easy, soft, simple, tender, peaceful, tranquil breath, my dear friends. Your breath is your savior. Save yourself.
Beep, beep, beep.
Final 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Kindly place your hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Slowly remove your hands and open your eyes. Thank you, everybody.
ఆత్మ జ్ఞానులకు నమస్కారం. యూట్యూబ్ లో పిఎంసి ఆన్లైన్ టీవీని వీక్షించడానికి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ప్రతిరోజు వచ్చే సరికొత్త అప్డేట్స్ కోసం బెల్ బటన్ నొక్కండి. ఆధ్యాత్మిక ప్రపంచంలో సంచలనం పిరమిడ్ మెడిటేషన్ ఛానల్. పిఎంసిని సులభంగా మన అరచేతిలో వీక్షించడానికి వచ్చేసింది పిఎంసి మొబైల్ యాప్. గూగుల్ ప్లే స్టోర్ నుంచి పిఎంసి యాప్ ని ఇప్పుడే డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి. పత్రిజీ ప్రత్యక్ష ప్రసారాలు, పిరమిడ్ న్యూస్, ధ్యానుల అనుభవాలతో పాటు మరెన్నో వినూత్నమైన కార్యక్రమాలను వీక్షించండి. పిఎంసి యాప్ మీ ఫోన్లో ఉంటే ఆధ్యాత్మిక ప్రపంచం మీతో ఉన్నట్లే. మిమ్మల్ని మీరు వెతుక్కోవడానికి నిరంతరం మీ వెంటే ఉంటుంది పిఎంసి.